National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, northern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McAllisterville to near Worksville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Sunbury, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, Enola, Selinsgrove, Anvil, Lemoyne, Myerstown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, and Skyline View. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 232, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 7, Interstate 81 from mile markers 55 to 98, Interstate 83 between mile markers 42 and 45, and from mile markers 47 to 50. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Colonial Park, Harrisburg, Urgent Care, Family Practice Enola, Family Practice Selinsgrove, Geisinger Holy Spirit, Rite Aid, and UPMC Pinnacle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lebanon, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, and